Welcome back to Phoenix Lifestyle. It's just a quick video, a little shakedown of our trip to Montauk Beach, do a little winter camping. For us, you have to take a couple of ferries. First one out of New London. Once we go over to Orient Point, then we have to take another ferry, actually two ferries, to get across an island over there before we get into Sag Harbor. Getting right into Montauk itself, which is the tip of Long Island. With the permit we have, it's specific to 3 different beaches that we can stay on year round. It's actually a night fishing permit through New York State. The one we chose to stay at for our first trip is right on Montauk. This is Montauk State Park. Pretty easy access to get to. This is not quite out to the tip, so this is actually the Long Island Sound side of Montauk. Found a nice spot. There's nobody else out there. Temperatures are kind of cold. It's right around freezing. That's Montauk Lighthouse you see in the background. This is the next morning. It's a great sunny day. The views are fantastic. Able to get some great footage of the lighthouse itself. So you can see the beach where we stayed, there was no one else out there. Out to our favorite spot in Montauk to get some breakfast. Hither Hills is the second area. This is actually on the ocean side of Montauk, or I should say of Long Island, that the New York State night fishing permit is good for year round. Montauk State Park is the third spot. Both Hither Hills and Montauk State Parks are on the Atlantic side. Hope you enjoyed the content of the video. Please don't forget the like button and subscribe to the channel.